Hi, my name is Lydia and I'm an online business owner. And the reason I'm here taking this video at the Putt Putt Golf in my neighborhood is because I have the time freedom that I've always desired while I get to have a business working for me, whether I'm there or not. If a little extra income in your month could make a difference, maybe it's $300, maybe it's $600, maybe it's $1,000 extra a month. An online business can do that for you while you're working, and then possibly it'll get to the point where you don't have to go to your job that you're at, and maybe you just do your online business full time. It's up to you. It depends on how much time you put into it. But I work with people and help them get set up. You don't need any training. So click the link below and find out more, and we'll see you on the other side.